birthday to Anon. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Anon.
Thank you, Anon, for being a change maker in my life. Truly, you have changed me as a person for the better. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anon. For me, my biggest life-changing opportunity was joining Anon. And for that, that's a big thank you. Thank you so much, Anon. Forever grateful.
So it's been said that once you are dead, आपका जो brain होता है वो और 7 मिनट के लिए alive रहता है and you live those happiest moment of your life for that particular 7 minutes. Trust me, I think Anon has one a part of that 7 minutes. And happy birthday Anon, happy 5th birthday Anon, and I wish मैं 10 साल बाद, 15 साल बाद, 20 साल बाद ऐसी वीडियोस बना के भेज रहा हूँ for wishing you around.
Ever since I joined Anon, I learned the value of giving back to the society and that change never comes in one go. It is a step-by-step process. So thank you Anon for inculcating these life lessons in me, and happy birthday Anon.
As the birthday comes of Anon 5th birthday, the Anon side by side has also given the rise of our birthdays, the birthdays of our learnings. I wish the legacy is continued till years and years, and we as interns never stop blooming in this garden of flowers where Anon cherishes everyone, waters everyone. I wish Anon a very, very happy birthday, and I never hope to leave Anon. Thank you.
So this video is dedicated to Anon. Our Anon that's not just an interning or volunteering platform, but an entire family. I'm so grateful that one day 3 years ago I decided to join Anon and change the way I perceive myself. Anon has literally given me a new light and a new life to live. I'm so thankful to everyone in the core team and every intern who has been there from the very beginning.
Happy birthday, Anon! Thank you for teaching me dedication, hard work, perseverance, and the importance of gratitude. Looking forward to learn more. Love you.
Thank you so much for giving me the Shepadi version I am today, and I will be lifelong thankful to you. So once again, happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Anon. Thank you for making me live all those dreams I'd only ever imagined I'll accomplish. You have garnished our lives with lessons, memories, and experiences that I am going to cherish forever. Thank you so much. Happy 5 years.
Thank you for supporting me so much, and you are like my own family. So बहुत स्पेशल फील कराना चाहती हूँ आज मैं आप लोगों को. थैंक यू. शायद मैं वर्ड्स में कभी भी एक्सप्रेस ना कर पाऊँ कि मैं आप लोगों से कितना प्यार करती हूँ. आई लव यू.
इस खूबसूरत परिवार का हिस्सा बनकर आत्मविश्वास का एक नया फूल खिला है मेरे अंदर. आप सभी के प्यार से खुद को पाता हूँ मैं नया. हर छोटी से छोटी सीख के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया.
Well, working with Anon was not less than a short and a memorable journey, and I was literally not aware that which destination I'll be reaching to it. But at this point of time, I breathed the fresh air filled with motivation, self-confidence, and high oratory development, and many more such skills and qualities. Thank you so much, Team Anon, for giving me and providing me the best version of Jia. Thank you so much for it. Happy 5th birthday to Anon. For the past 5 years, I've watched the foundation grow. I'm truly honored to be a part of Batch 6. It's inspired me so much. Thank you to Anon.
Happy birthday, Anon. It has been my extreme pleasure to be a part of such wonderful team. I hope to keep continuing, keep learning, and always keep smiling.
To the NGO, so kind and true, your efforts shine in all you do. Thank you for your tireless care, for making the world a better place so rare. Thank you so much.
It's altogether a different madness being associated with Anon, and I want to continue with this madness on and on and on and on and on. So wish you a very happy birthday, Anon, and to let you know that your learnings and your teachings on the power of gratitude has shown me that it's the antidote to constant complaining.
Happy birthday, Anon. Happy 5th birthday, Anon. So this is a very significant milestone in our journey of commitment to igniting a positive change, empowering people and wellness in our communities. So congratulations, Dr. Aarti Gidhar, all our interns, volunteers, and gratitude to all those who supported this cause, the schools, the principals, and each and everyone. Aaj ka din, let's take a pledge to continue walking on this journey with greater agility, vigor, and enthusiasm. Let's touch greater milestones and let's celebrate it.
Anon is a place that offers something for everyone. Here, we learn, grow, evolve, and celebrate together. No one gets bored, and everyone wants to stay connected for ages. Wishing Anon a very happy 5th anniversary and many more years of continued success.
Hi all, this is Dr. Aarti Gidhar, and today Anon completed 5 years of committed work towards mental health and life skills. I believe this journey was very difficult to start with, but with the support of so many schools as well as students and working professionals, we have reached our vision of inspiring so many in a very short period of time. And this is all possible because of the immense support that we are getting. Thank you very much. This 5-year journey is beautiful, and I feel that coming years we can make a lot of difference in men's lives. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anon. Happy birthday.